once again to my kitchen. This is Julie's Kitchen. If you are watching me for the first time, you are welcome. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell to get notice of every video I upload and join the family. Thank you for joining me today, and you are welcome. My old subscribers, I also welcome you all. You're all welcome. So in today's cooking series, I will be making the Nigerian Gala. Wow, gonna be yummy. I want to show you how I make my Nigerian Gala. Those Nigerian Gala we used to eat whenever we travel to Nigeria or when we are in Nigeria. So I want to show you how I make mine. So let me introduce you to the recipes I will be using to make this Gala for today. Here are the ingredients I'll be using in making my Gala for today. As you can see on the table, I have flour. This is 1 kilo of flour. It is 18 balls, so I have to tie it here. So I want to first of all use this one. This is 1 kilo. That is just like this. 1 kilo, kilo of flour. And then you have onion, the sausage. You have this is chicken sausage. Then I have my baking powder, those have sachets. Then my nutmeg, then butter and salt and herbs. So these are the ingredients I will be using for making my Gala. So now let's get started. Okay. So right now I'm going to start the mixing. This is my baking powder. It's just half packet of baking powder, so I'm going to be adding it to the flour. And secondly, I'll be adding some pinch of salt, just little to it. Okay. Then I'll be adding little nutmeg too. So now I'm going to mix them together before I add my butter. I think this I'll just put one butter here. I don't want to do more than one, it's okay. Yes. I think this one is even too much. So I want to now go to mix it. Now I added some water to it. This is the hot dog and the onion, so I'm going to blend it. So let me check if it's ready. Okay, I think it's okay like this. I'll still to blend it one more time. Okay, let me just blend it one more time. Okay, I'm sure with the grinding. This one, when grinding it, you don't have much work. So this is the sauce. This is the sauce for the gala. Now I'm going to take out my dough from the fridge. I think it has been in the fridge for about 20 minutes now, so I want to take it out, then start the rolling of my gala. So add some little flour. So I'm going to be doing this now. Everywhere. Okay, right now I'm going to be cutting it. I'll share it into smaller so that I can wrap it from this angle. Okay. Where's that? Boom. Start now. So now to give me the shape, like I'm going to use this to cut it so that I have the shape I want to use to make my this thing, my gala. I'm gonna use this one so that to give me the okay. So I'm still going to flat it a bit. Going to flat it a bit. Okay, so right now I'm going to break this egg because I'll be using it to seal the mat of the gala. So about to start now. I think it's alright enough for me to. Okay, so now we'll be putting the sausage into flour. This side I'm going to make it, then I'll start the wrapping. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing the covering of the gala. That's how I'm going to do it. Then do the covering like this. So when I get to this place, I'm going to use the egg to rub so that it can cover very well. Okay, to roll it. And this the color, so I'll cut it underneath this place, then cut it. It's too much. The ones I put is too much, and it's coming out enough. So this is one of the gala. I'm coming. So put it like this now. So I'm going to make another one. So I'm going to be adding the sausage. So and the last one, I'm going to add egg to do the covering so that it can cover very well. Okay. So there's my knife. Then I'm going to do the trimming here and that part so that it will look fine. Now I'm finished wrapping my gala, so I'm just adding egg to the top so as to make it look fine and presentable. So then I'll put it in the oven. So now I'm done with the rubbing of the head, so I'm going to put it in the oven. Now I put the oven in 100 and I think about 150, so just want to wait for about 30 minutes, then later I will control it. So see you guys later. Right now I would go through my gala. I turned it off camera before I turned the bag. Okay, now I guess it's ready. I turned the bag. I think I have to put off my I turned the back of the gala when off camera, so I just want to bring them out and I know everything is ready. So as you can see, everything is ready right now. So I'm done with the making of my gala. This is my Nigerian gala. Wow, so beautiful and so yummy. So this is how I make my Nigerian gala. So I thank you for joining me today, and see you next time in my next video. Please, if you have not subscribed, try and subscribe and share my video. Always give me a thumbs up when you watch my video. Thank you. I love you. See you next time in my next video. Bye. I love you.